How to fix Facebook Lite not opening. In this guide video, I'll be showing you step-by-step procedure to fix your Facebook Lite not opening. So first of all, you want to start by actually closing or completely closing the background running app, just like that. And next you want to make sure to do is check your internet connection. Sometimes it could be due to the poor connectivity, or you might have turned off your internet. So simply swipe down and make sure to long press the internet connection, and here you want to make sure to toggle the button for either mobile data or Wi-Fi. The other thing what you want to also do is locate Facebook Lite. And when you locate Facebook Lite, just long press onto it, go to the app info icon, and next you want to come to the storage and cache. Now click on clear cache. Now clearing your storage is going to delete the data, but if you're sure about it, you could go ahead and do it so, and that should be help you out to fix. However, if the issue still persists on, you also want to make sure to check the server. Sometimes it could be due to the server issue or the status as well. So you want to make sure to check that out, or use a Downdetector for Facebook Lite. If nothing works out, then you want to make sure to restart your device, at the same time reinstall Facebook Lite, and that's gonna fix your issue all at once. So that's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.